It's just FNB, Standard Bank, and JP Morgan, which are the main bank accounts where we do the actual reconciliations on.
Okay, so they know first FNB, First National Bank. Okay.
FNB is RMB, so it's one group.
Okay. And JP Morgan, these two
yes,
for
and
Australia?
Business Online, Standard Bank.
Okay, so these three are there. Okay, that's correct.
Yes, that's correct. Yes, the other banks listed there are banks which the ABSA and other treasury banks. That's just systems. That's banks that we liaise with to place money in our call accounts.
Okay. You are not doing reconciliation.
We're not doing. We do a reconciliation between SAP, Quantum, and SAP and Quantum for the GL from the GL perspective.
So these are also banks. Quantum Solution is a bank,
and it's a treasury system.
Okay. So it's not a bank. Okay.
No.
And Finstra?
No, it's a confirmation system.
Treasury system.
Yeah.
And Finstra is confirmation system. Okay, yes. So not bank.
Not bank, no.
So in all, we have these three are FNB, RMB, Business Online is a standard bank.
A standard bank, yes. Yes, it's Standard Bank.
And JP Morgan. So these are four
JP
banks,
Morgan.
right?
So RMB is one group. It's just called different names, but it falls under one umbrella, the umbrella of RMB. So it's sub FNB sub of RMB.
Okay. So there may be different accounts in those, so it totals to 6
so
banks.
there's different accounts, 3 banks. Different accounts, but 3 banks. First National, Business Online, and JP Morgan.
Got it. So I got it right.
Yeah.
Here. So from the integration perspective, are they integrated to the SAP? Means you need not to download the statement and upload in the SAP. Is it correct, or is it?
No, some are, and some are not. Some are manual statements, and some are manual uploads, and some are integrated.
Okay, so can I ask you about this? FNB is integrated or not?
Pardon? Some accounts, like Robin's accounts, I think the manager's account, right, Robin? That one is a manual. That one is automated.
Yes.
Automated upload. But on my side,
manager account.
The manager account, yes.
Is automated.
Yes. But on the FNB clearing account. And other sub accounts, that is manually uploaded.
Sub accounts.
Yeah.
Are manual.
Manual.
So basically, one is automated out of 3, 2 are manual.
Say 3, the dividend. We've got the dividend account, the main account, and another account, which is all manual statement uploads.
Okay. Clearing account, dividend
clearing
account,
dividend account.
Dividend account.
Yeah. And it's FNB. We've just got an account where we have funds in due to historic mining. Historic union issues, yes. So even our dividend account is not something that we utilize anymore. However, due to the historic part that when we were in SA, we used to pay dividends out of this account. So we still have the account still exists.
So basically, these are manual.
Yes, those are manual.
And there is a potential for integration of these accounts?
When we initially went on SAP, they couldn't automate it due to the rate differences, which affects when we do currency purchases. There's a line that they couldn't integrate, so that's why it was manual. It was manual functionality. Yes.
Okay. So it was tried earlier, but it can be. There could be seen for integration purposes.
It can be re-looked at possibly. Yeah.
Okay. And these are
sorry.
Yeah, sure. You go ahead. Sorry.
Okay. On the Standard Bank accounts also, or
manual? Sorry, Chantal.
Yes.
No, Chantal, you forgot the share and debenture.
Okay, you can put the share and debenture. It's also Historic,
Manual.
it's
Yeah.
also manual, it's also historic.
Okay. Share debenture.
Share debenture trust, it's a trust account.
Okay. Trust account. That's fine. You can send me the list later
Donald,
on.
we don't do anything in SAP, so it doesn't form part of this because you
I don't know.
yeah, I'm saying we don't do on share and debenture trust. We don't do any. We don't. It's just from a monitoring perspective.
What has Tracy do with? Does she do anything on SAP? Because I do the recon and then send it to her.
No,
What does
it's
she
not.
do?
It's a trust account, so it's not in our books. It's yeah, it's not in the GL. It's not recorded in the GL because it's a trust account.
Oh, I just know I do the recon. So
Yeah, so you just do a recon on it, but we don't do statement uploads because it's a trust account.
Oh,
Okay, we don't do
No,
statement uploads.
no, we don't do statement uploads on the share and the debenture trust.
So let me take it out for that.
Yes, yes.
So maybe maybe you can send this to me. What's your full? What's your name, ma'am?
Chantal. Chantal. Yes.
Chantel.
Espinar, yes.
Is it Chantel?
Chantal, yes.
Chantial. Okay. So Chantial, is it possible for you to later on send me the list so that I can keep that? These are all the bank recons which we have to do.
Sure.
Right. And also, Chantel, are these daily recons or is it monthly you are doing?
It's daily, most of them, and some of them is as and when there's movement. Yeah.
Mostly daily, right?
Mostly daily.
Okay. And we also talked about this. This business online
Business
is
online.
also manual or integrated?
Manual.
This is also manual. Okay. Manual upload.
Yes.
Okay. And JP Morgan?
JP Morgan on 1950, it's a statement upload, but on 1902, it's manual.
Okay, 1950 integrated.
Yeah.
Graded and 1902 manual.
Manual.
Okay, that's fine for now. It's and you are doing when you upload it on the system out there,
Yes.
and then the system automatically do the reconciliations the daily means the system balances, uploaded balances, tick and tie, or do you have to do manually?
Okay, so once the statement uploads, it will go into sub accounts.
Okay. And statement uploads, it goes to
the sub accounts
in SAP.
In SAP, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then we would then we would journalize the entries, process journals to do the allocations.
Process journals.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
For the allocation.
For allocation pieces.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
On daily basis, you do allocations?
Not daily, like once a week, twice a week. Once a week, twice a week, yeah.
Okay, okay. Even though bank recons you are doing daily, but this is a certain things sometimes comes in to process. Okay.
Yes, it depends on what's happening in the day.
Okay. And then you do once it is done, the two balances comes in, right? The statement balances, system balances. So how do you see the reconciliations? It is manual reconciliation or system takes, oh, these are the only lines which are unreconciled and rest has to are already reconciled.
Yeah, so in Robin's account, Robin will speak for her account, the 641 account with the manual upload. On my side, we would actually manually process each item because we know the movement, like the money. Basically, it's because everything sweeps into the main account. So, like between my account and Robin account, we'll do the contra entry for that. So it's a manual entry that we need to do. For our investments, it's a manual entry that we need to do for that. as well as our salary account. So most of the time it's between the accounts that it's just manual entries that we're processing.
Okay. No, the entries are fine, the manually, but the
Yeah.
reconciliations I'm talking about, that when you
Yeah, so when we do
reconcile,
the journal, when we do create the journal and do the journal upload, it would be based on the actual recon for the day, and then we would do manual clearing of the accounts.
so manually you tick and tie each of the entries,
Manual clearing,
right?
yeah. Yeah.
Manual clearing.
Yes.
So system doesn't do any kind of automatic, like
The only automation entries is normally bank charges. That's automated
okay,
on the line as a line item
of each line,
of a line item.
except bank charges.
Yeah, except bank charges.
These are automatically goes away, knocked
Yeah,
out. But for
that's
the
automatically goes into the correct accounts, yes. But everything else
okay,
is manually
okay,
cleared, yes.
okay, and this applies to all the accounts, means all the 6 accounts that you have to do manually tick and tie.
Okay, Robin will comment on hers. I think Robin is just the exceptions. Robin, you can correct me on that.
Yes, it's basically the same almost as yours.
Okay, so Robin's would be on the exceptions. So it's also manual clearing that would take place
For Robin also. Okay.
for
For
Robin.
basically looks like only the bank thing is system is reconciling and taking out
Yes,
and bank charges, but the rest
yes.
of them. Okay, okay. Yes. Donald, do you want to speak something?
I just wanted to ask the statement, Chantel, on the Standard Bank. Is it uploaded or is it captured? Because I capture.
That's what I said. It's manually processed.
Oh, I thought you said upload.
No.
It's just there was written upload.
No, it's manual. Standard Bank is manual.
Standard Bank is
It's
manual. I have written it,
manual.
I think.
Manual captured.
Manual.
Don't upload. I think you said
Yes,
manual
I've
upload.
written
No, he
this
says
Manual
manual
manual.
upload. No, it's captured. It's not uploaded.
No, it's a manual process. That's what you're saying. Okay, it's a
Okay.
manual process, so it's like captured manually. It's not
You
a
capture
Okay.
everything.
yes,
You don't upload.
yes.
Different wordings.
So
Oh,
you create the statement manually.
Okay. So basically, Shantiel,
Yes,
all the banks are basically manual only,
yes,
and it has to be done every day,
yes.
mostly. And out of 6, you mentioned that some of them are to be done on monthly basis.
No,
Yes,
no, they
mine
all.
automatically.
Okay, sorry, Robert.
No, sorry, Chantal, but
No, carry on, Robert.
ours is on a monthly basis. We do the recon.
I'm not able to hear you clearly,
Okay, so
Robin.
Robin does hers on a monthly basis. Okay, we monitor throughout the month, and the only time we send our reporting is at month end. The
Okay,
actual
okay.
reporting. So the
So
whole time we're clearing our accounts, we're uploading our statements, we're clearing our accounts, we're looking for outstanding entries that went through that we're not aware of, following up that whole entire process throughout the month, so that by month end that there's no actually nothing is in the account that's
surprises, yeah.
unallocated. Yes.
Okay, and this is only for one account, Robin's account, which is monthly. Otherwise, everything you are doing daily.
Everything we do, yeah. Ad hoc, like on the business account, only when we do trades, only when we purchase currency, then we would do that.
Okay, okay. So let's write this. This is a good practice to do daily kind of thing, but exceptional account, which you mentioned, that can be done on monthly basis
Yeah.
also. Okay.
Yeah.
So from the statement side, when you reconciling, do you use some Excel template also to finally,
Yes, we use
getting
Excel. We've got a
approval,
format.
standard
For
format?
standard format that we do with Zane for all our recons.
Okay, so every day means Zine signs it.
No, we don't do it once a month. Once a month.
Okay, daily, but you use the standard format for daily purposes also.
Daily,
But
we use a standard Excel for our journal uploads. For our journal
standard,
uploads, a standard cash book that we use for journal uploads.
Okay, standard journal
Yeah. Journal
format for
allocation. Yeah, for journal allocations.
journal allocation.
Yeah.
And also when the bank recons is complete every day, for example, Chantel.
Yes.
So how do you reconcile? Is it all on system, or do you have an Excel template also? Oh, this is a today's balance, this is yesterday's balance, and this is reconciled and signed off.
No,
Do you
no,
do
we
this kind
don't.
of?
No, it's just done so that at month end that there is no backlog, or to alleviate that process on a month end due to the deadlines. So
Okay.
basically, we're just working in the background to ensure that at month end there's no surprises in our recons.
Okay. And the final statement you will prepare only at the month end, which
The
is
final, yes, the final statement and the sign off is a month end SOX control.
okay. Final statement and sign off
Yes,
once a month.
yes,
Got it. Okay. And surprises are eliminated every day.
yes.
Very good. Okay. So how this sign off happens, is it like you send Excel, you send by email, or is it some automated process where
Okay,
like
now,
in
so we
systematic?
have, it's an Excel spreadsheet that we use for all our accounts. And I think it's Zainus too. So Donald will prepare the certain ones and I will do certain ones.
Okay.
And
Prepared
Robin,
for recon.
yes.
And the Excel has a maybe you can later on send me the template,
I'll send
Chantiel.
you everything so that you can familiarize
I
yourself with
can,
it.
yes, I can just
Yes.
keep it as a record
Yes, I'll send you
that,
step by step what samples of what we do.
okay. And also Zion signed manually, or is it
Yeah,
some
so
kind of digital?
we've got a Teams folder where we would upload and save in the Teams folder.
Okay.
So just to
Uploaded.
add to that, Donald would do the foreign accounts, Chantel would do the local accounts, and Robin Lee does the manager's account.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Overall basis,
Yes.
how this is structured. So, but very good, how you divided the task. Yeah.
Yeah, but before we would also compare to do the matching between the bank system, the spreadsheet,
Yes.
and
Every day.
SAP.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that matching I was talking about, is it the manual, right? You
Yes,
tick and
it's a
tie
manual
every.
process.
manual process, yes. But then on month
Yes.
end, we would just do a snippet for sign off for the file.
Yes. Manual process. Every day tick and tie. Every
Yeah.
day tick and tie
Yes.
between statement
Yes.
and SAP
SAP,
data.
yes. Or on the call accounts, it's Quantum and SAP.
Say that again.
On the call accounts, the investment accounts,
Mm-hmm.
on our investment accounts, it would be SAP and then the Quantum FIS system.
Okay, SAP data and / quantum data.
Yes, that is just on the call accounts, the investment accounts, where the Quantum,
Basement.
where it would be different, yeah.
So basically you are using, but the quantum is integrated to SAP or not?
No, it's outside.
Okay, so how you are getting that data into SAP then? Means to make a full picture.
Journal entries. Journal entries.
Okay. So quantum basically posted via journal entry.
Yes.
But as Chantel mentioned, it's only for the call accounts.
Call accounts.
Yes.
Yeah, the
Call
SAP
accounts.
Quantum is only for the call accounts, yes.
Yeah, that's an
Okay.
additional step.
Okay. So for this specifically for accounting.
For
Yeah,
call
okay.
accounts, yes. And for the accounting, yes.
Okay. So I got this thing when the last day you signed off the final statement of this, and you stored in the Teams and you communicated with the Teams folder on that one.
Yeah, that's the
So,
first day of the first few days in the new month.
Okay. And do you have a deadline for that?
Yeah, as soon as the period is closed and all transactions have taken place.
So period closes, what is a month close date?
I think it's normally exactly the 5th or the 6th day, depends.
6 days? Okay.
Yeah,
Month
sixth
month end
working
is
day after
six
month
work
end.
6
Yeah,
working day.
yeah.
The sixth working day after month end. But in terms of SOX controls, they've given us a guideline to say the controls for on a monthly basis needs to be signed off within a certain number of days after month end. So yeah, we just try to adhere to that, that requirement.
Okay. So, but what is the deadline for bank recons?
But as I say, it's in terms of the SOX guidance for monthly
So
control.
it's normally six working days when the period closes,
Okay.
so that we can, because we check it against the TV.
Sure.
Yeah.
So bank recons is done at workday 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
So even though we're doing it before the time, but like when the period closes, we just do a double check just to make sure that we are in line.
Yes, yes, definitely. So it looks like I have a good understanding of this. So if I see this, do you have a dependency on other people for bank? Means you coordinate in case some transactions are in has to be investigated, things are not reconciling.
On my side, I think on Robin's side, there are, we do have our travel.
I
Our
mean,
travel
do you
do,
have to coordinate with the AP team or AR team or anyone, FP&A team or anyone?
so for journal allocations, Robin will coordinate, but on our side, I think we know exactly because of the
Okay,
history,
no, so
we
no
know
dependency
exactly.
basically.
But on
Okay,
Robin's side, there is dependency in the business. So
okay.
there is dependency in the business. We can't say no
Okay,
dependency.
dependency in the business
Yeah,
for
there is.
investigation purposes.
Yes, there is definitely dependency.
Dependency on
Yes,
business
yes,
for investigation of unreconciled balance.
yes.
So can you give example what kind of,
If somebody does a computer purchase and credits the money in the account, or whatever expenses. So Robin, just correct me here.
Yes,
I
yes,
mean, which are
So-
not
yes,
Phones and
clear,
all
which
that.
are
Purchase of
not
cell
clear in the
phones and
statement, you ask that.
Sorry?
I mean, the things which are not clear from the statement, you have to ask, like
Yes,
purchases or any
yes,
expense.
yes. So for example, travel, if someone pays in for a travel expense, they credit to Robin's account, Robin will have to send an email to travel to find out the journal allocation for this
Yes.
specific amount.
Mhm.
If there's intercompany money that was received for intercompanies, it goes into our account. Then
Okay.
Robin will have to find out.
Okay. Okay. Intercompany, etc.
Yes.
So just to add to that, on a monthly basis, Robin will send out an email to all the budget holders together with Ronsat from the costing department
Mhm.
to understand, those that are not allocated. That's
Okay.
correct, right, Robin
Unallocated
Sati?
things,
yes,
unallocated items, etc. Okay. So as a process wise, it looks that first step is you download the bank statement, download from the banks from bank and upload in SAP. This is the first
Yeah,
step.
yeah. On FNB, it's a CSV file. On
CSV file.
CSV file. On Standard Bank Business Online, it's manual statement upload.
Oh, so you look at it and
Yes,
type there. Okay.
yes. That's what Donald meant when he said he creates it.
Yes, let me write it. This is a very, very tough exercise. So, business standard bank manual
Yes,
process,
yes,
each entry
yes.
has to be entered manually.
Entered manually, yes.
No uploads.
No uploads at all.
Why this is so? This is a small bank, that's why, or is it
And now it's because of the, I don't know, the business online, because it's foreign currency accounts. They
And the
couldn't map
rates are
it.
specific for
They
that
couldn't
trade.
map it. Yeah, they couldn't
Yes.
map it.
okay?
Because
But
you see
if it
your
is
rate is effective when you bought the currency at that specific time. So it's not the average rate for the day or the average for the month. So it's, when you bought the
okay,
currency that specific time, that rate.
I
That's it.
see, I see, I see. So there
That's
are
the
many
reason why they need to
transactions.
book it manually, yes.
There are many transactions are there in this, or is it just a one or two transactions?
There's quite a few, I think, in a week.
Okay,
Yeah, all our
maybe
intercompany, yeah,
maybe 10 transactions in a week.
say 15 in a week.
15. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, I'd
15
say
per.
from my side, I think work on about 15 to 20.
Okay. Thank you, John. All right. So download the bank and upload in SAP, and I'll just read manually for standard bank.
Mhm.
And next step is manually tick and tie, manually tick and tie between in SAP.
Yes.
And you do in Quantum also that tick and tie, right?
We don't do in Quantum. In Quantum, we just do a report which will just check the balance. So we don't do a manual
Okay.
tick and tie.
Okay.
Unless there was an error in our postings, then we would do a manual tick and tie in Quantum.
Okay. And third step is investigate
Yes.
the differences. And generally you don't reach out, but reach out to business for exceptions.
Correct. Yeah.
It would either be business or the bank directly as well. We
Or
have
bank
a
directly. Okay.
yeah. If nobody
Okay.
comes, if nobody responds, or everybody says they don't know, then the next step would be to reach out to the bank
Okay. And
for
finally,
further details. Yeah.
This is a daily basis, but then finally on the monthly basis, you prepare a standard template,
Yes.
reconciliation template, and upload in the Teams, right?
Yes.
In Teams for sign off.
Chantel, we just need to explain for JP Morgan.
What do you
Is
want
it
me to
similar to
explain, Jay?
FNB or is it similar to the Standard Bank?
On the JP Morgan 1950.
Yes.
Is manual?
No, it's 1902 is manual, so it's also statement upload, but this the only entries we receive there is interest received and bank charges, unless something happens in that account. We used to use it before for gold sales, which we no longer do in SA. And then
Okay.
so we can relook at that account, and then on 1950 is a statement upload,
Okay. Integrated.
which is also on
Oh,
JP Morgan.
say that. So 1950 is a
1950
statement upload.
is a
Okay.
statement upload, yes.
And for 1902, you have to manually enter each transaction.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. I thought like it is automatically uploading manually each entry.
Yes.
Okay, got it. So download the bank statement, CSV file, or I should write, or manually enter in SAP.
Yes.
Okay. And when you upload in the Teams, so how Zion signs off? Is it like email approval or?
DocuSign.
Okay. You sign, and once it is DocuSigned, you again post it into the Teams folder.
No, we've already posted it. We've already posted it. So once he signs it, it's in the Teams folder.
Okay, Teams folder gets updated.
Yes. So when Zane signs it off, he compares. He gets. What do you get from Tracy from finance, Zane, that you need
Yes,
to
over
sign
and
off?
above that, I receive on a monthly basis, I need to do the trial balance confirmation from Tracy Passmore to say, okay, I've reviewed these accounts and I sign off for those accounts.
Okay. Can you say that again? The last thing when you sign off, it is again with the DocuSign only, right?
Yes, yes. So each
Okay,
reconciliation that I review would be signed and saved automatically on the Teams
okay.
folder with DocuSign.
Yes.
And
Yes.
once I've reviewed all my controls, I do a SOX control sign off for the finance department.
Okay.
For like a TB sign off to say these are my accounts and
Okay.
these are my responsibility, and I sign off on that.
So manager does SOX sign off.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is the last step, SOX control sign off.
Yes, correct.
And what generally you check in that?
Sorry?
What generally you check in those controls?
So no, each control is different. So for your bank reconciliations, you would check your SEP balances, your bank account balances, your rates that they've used, any reconciling items. And on there, we would do conclusions for each control that we've tested. What is a conclusion? That the control is operating effectively and efficiently, all those. So it's a normal checks that you do on the bank reconciliation.
Okay. So you have a checklist out there. Okay.
Yes.
With checklist. Okay. I think anything I'm missing here in the bank recons, like any step which you think? Should I make it bigger or is it fine? Is it visible?
It's visible. Yes.
Okay.
You'll just do from your side a spell check just to fix up the spelling and the grammar and all that,
Yes, I'll do that. I'll do that in the background. Once the meeting is over, I'll correct
Yes.
everything out there. Yes. And
Yeah, but the
any
steps are fine.
Chantil, any challenges you are facing in the daily or monthly? Like you mentioned, the manual thing is a challenge already, that some of the things have to be manually entered. Any other thing which you can think of, any challenges?
No, not on my side, no.
Is general process?
Yeah, the journal process is fine. Donald parks the journal and I post the journals. So that's
Okay.
fine.
But on Robin's side, Zaki and Robin, you can come in here. We do have some challenges where, where we struggle to follow up on unreconciled items. Where, we follow up with the cost owners, but in some cases, nobody knows where these funds have come from. So,
Yes,
that can be a bit of a challenge,
yeah.
Yeah, that's investigation.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then that is where now we send a request to the bank to find out where the funds are coming
Find out more details about that.
Yes.
Need coordination with bank.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else, any other challenges which you can help, to make the process faster or more efficient? I think this is important to say. The format wise, all the 6 banks reconciliation format is same, right? It's no different formats for different banks.
Yes, no, they're all the same, with the exception of the foreign currency ones where we need to do the calculation of the rates. And,
Okay,
based on the rates we receive from the finance department. So, you need to do that conversion.
yes, except the
Other
foreign
than that, the
currency.
format is exactly the same structure, everything.
Very good. This is a very good practice. Okay. So how much time do you devote in this on daily and the final monthly basis? Is it sometimes uh, manually? I know this lot of time, but do you have any in mind on average how much time daily you spend on bank recons?
On my side, it's about 40 minutes. Donald, on the Standard
On
Bank
average,
side,
2 hours, 1 hour.
I would say
No, it's
what,
about 4
what
hours.
4 hours every day?
as and when on the
Like okay, uploading creating the statements is about an
Yes.
hour. Depends on the transactions, how many
Yes.
transactions. Because I think I'm
So
taking about 6 statements. So
yes.
depending.
On average, can I say 3 to 4 hours for
So
everyone?
and then the recons is
yeah.
also takes up quite a
Yeah, the
few hours.
recon process on the foreign currency takes quite a bit of time because there's
Yes.
different reports, FX adjustment reports that you need to be running,
Running, yeah.
interest
Yeah.
emails that you need to take into consideration.
Mm.
So that can take a
Yes.
while. So I think like
Yes.
5 hours overall, Donald.
Yes.
Yeah, but I
Daily.
think, sorry, Vignette, I think you need to maybe, I don't know where you're capturing it, but maybe you need to put in the names and say, Chantal, you spend about an hour. Sorry, I'm just
Yeah,
using some numbers. So Chantal
yeah,
spends about an hour because they're each working on different things. So Chantal's about an hour, Donald's about 4 to 5 hours. I'm not sure what Zaki and Monique, but I think that's going to be the best way. You can't just say on average 5 hours each because it's different. Each one's looking at something
different
differently.
processes. Yeah.
Yes.
Let me delete this and let's make out the average from this basis. Chantal 1 hour, Donald 5 hour. Sorry. And yes, you can tell me, Chantal, 1 hour
Donald,
for you.
mine is fine, 1 hour.
Okay.
Myself, like I say, I have two processes: capturing of the statement, which gets done weekly. So it depends on or daily, depends on what movement I have.
Mhm.
So that can be an hour to 2 hours, depending on the number of transactions.
So overall,
Okay.
the overall figure, Donald.
And then recons is about 4 to 5 hours when I do the recons
Okay.
during month end. So
During month
that's
end. Okay.
yes, that's when I go and combine all the recons and everything.
Yes. Yes. So daily
Yes.
2 hours, monthly 5 hours,
Yes.
monthly once 5 hours. Okay. And
Robin Lee, how long does it take you to do your process? Sending emails to the cost owners, communication with Ronsard, and doing the reconciliation?
It all depends on how long they take with the backup. So, but to do the recon stuff doesn't take too long. It's only the backup that I need to get, and then the statements also. I do not have the authorization to get the statements. So,
you're break.
You're breaking
You're
up, Robin.
breaking.
okay, let me just open my laptop. Right, it's this.
So Robin, how many
Can you hear
hours a
me?
day is it? Yes, I can hear now. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So it's
So what happens is it's normally just the backup that you normally wait for to attach to the recon, but normally
yes.
the recon itself doesn't take too long. It's just that
Yeah.
I don't have authorization for the statements as well. So then normally I'll ask Monique to get me the
Yes.
statements, and then she doesn't take that long. So for me, I don't. It's
No,
just basically
include
the
the
backup.
waiting time also. Sometimes the waiting is important because you cannot move in
Yeah.
case you don't wait. So include the waiting time as well that, for example, uh, on average, I know it is difficult to have, but let's make up in a way that in case you get the response on timely basis,
Okay, I can
that
say like with the response, I say it's about 30 minutes to an hour. If they
1 hour.
respond, if they
Yes,
have time to
yes.
respond quick, yes.
It's for 1 hour. So 1 hour there and 1 hour for preparation. So close to 2 hours every day.
No, you can say I only have one, so you can say it's about an hour.
1 hour. Okay. So that's it. So overall, the team is, again, we came out the same average, 4 to 5 hours a day. So anyone else is involved in the process?
And maybe Zane, your time to sign off everything.
Yeah, they come. Yeah, so each one would do, when they're done. And yeah, so I would need maybe about, I think, 3 to 4 hours, because I need to go through now everything in detail, ensure everything is correct, all that. So yeah, in total about 3 to 4 hours.
Manager review. Okay. So this makes 4, 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7, 8 hours. Okay. That's give me a good idea on this in totality every day. And this includes, the review of the balances, etc. also, right? Which you are making, that in
Yes,
case somebody asks you about how much balance statement is there for each of the bank for
yes.
every day. Okay. So this includes all that stuff. Okay. So we covered the downloading the bank statement here and track and monitor cash flows. The same thing you manage each of the bank, right? Which is assigned to you. What is incoming, outgoing as a part of the normal uh, checking process, correct?
Yes, so in the mornings, Donald will review the bank statement and send the balances to our Treasury department.
Morning, and you send the balances
Yes,
reviewed, and so this is reviewed and send the balances to Treasury.
to Treasury, yes.
Okay.
And then Monique,
Front
account,
office, treasury front office, together with the
Okay, Treasury
finance department.
front office. Okay.
yeah.
Yes. And the finance department, so it would be, I think it would be up to Jimmy's level, right, Chantel?
No, Sharika's also on,
And there's few
Jimmy.
and
managers.
there's few managers as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Whoever's responsible, I think like Friedel,
So
yeah.
okay. So this is a daily process. You
Yes,
analyze
that's a
the
daily.
incoming. Okay.
Yes, and then the outgoing cash, we would also, if we have anything that's affecting the outgoing cash, we would also notify the Treasury front office.
Okay. I noted it. Very good. Bank recons we have covered in detail. Where it is, 1 sec. Foreign exchange. Here we are. Bank recons we have covered.
Yeah.
I'll input that. And month end. So this is a part. So these are all the lines I have. There is one more. Do you see the foreign exchange translation risk, the foreign currency account and all? So does this come
Yes,
under that?
it comes
Okay.
under the foreign currency recons on the business online and the JP Morgan 1902.
Business online and JP Morgan.
Yes.
Okay. And in this scenario,
So
if I
the FX adjustment report is actually, the transaction is actually run by the finance department.
so they run it and they give it
Yes,
to you.
we
Okay.
would able to extract it from SAP.
Okay, is extracted
Yes,
from SAP.
yes.
Okay. For this is fine. And so I have noted certain things from the previous blueprinting from Brazil also. So in this, I think step 1 involved with the stakeholders to get the actual indicators This is not your process, right?
No,
Contact FP&A and also let me delete it
no.
here. Okay. In this scenario, you just
Because we
extract.
don't, yeah, because we don't run the actual report.
Okay. And this is fine. And I'll remove all these things out there and put our steps. So these are our steps
Okay.
in this. And manage daily cash balances. So do you do this pooling, sweep, or netting means
Yes.
maintaining a
So,
balance?
okay. So the pooling is what, yes, we have sub accounts like our salary account, and
Mhm.
the manager's account sweeps into our main account.
Salary account sweeps into main
Yeah.
account.
Yeah, the manager's salary account as well as the FNB manager's account. So that's Robin will all sweep into the FNB clearing account.
Okay, so main account is FNB
Yeah,
clearing account.
clearing account, yes.
FNB clearing.
Yes.
I think you just need to add the salary account and the FNB manager's account sweeps into the main account.
Oh, salary and FNB clearing account sweeps to main
No,
account.
FNB manager's account.
Yes. So it's
Salary
the
account,
salary account as well as and
salary
FNB
account and no,
sweeps
I
into
think no. Delete the clearing there. So it's salary account, FNB manager's account.
salary
Sweeps into the
account.
FNB clearing account.
so basically salary account sweeps into the main account. Is it
No,
correct?
the salary account and FNB clearing account or the manager's account. The manager's account, FNB manager's account.
Okay.
No, go back. FNB manager's account.
Okay.
Yeah, so sweeps into the clearing account, the FNB clearing account.
Into FNB clearing account.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And here the consolidated fund transfer extra cash and offset receivable against payable to optimize the cash usage. This applies to you?
No.
Okay. So,
So the money market and the pooling, we can say earlier on I mentioned our call accounts. Okay, so if we have additional cash in our account, it is placed on call. Our treasury front office will place the money on call.
let me write it. Additional cash is placed
on
into
investments or call accounts, what we call call accounts. Yeah.
or call accounts.
Yeah.
So you do that?
Well, our front office, they will do
Okay.
the actual, they will actually place the money, but do the transaction telephonically. We would actually execute it on the banking system. So once they've done the transaction, they'll send us a report.
Okay.
They'll send us a report, which we will extract the other half of the report from Quantum to compare.
Okay.
And then
report from Quantum.
Yes.
Compared
to the report. Yes. And then we would capture on FNB system and release the payments.
System and release.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I've got it. If you can just fix the beginning there, you say salary account. As we've mentioned previously, salary account and FNB manager's account sweeps into the main account.
Okay. Sweeps to the FNB clearing account and additional cash investment and got by the front office. The report is sent by front office to you.
Yes.
And you compare the report and release the payment.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm missing some steps whereby it's reviewed, uploaded, signed off, all that I didn't
You can just say
include.
validate. Someone can just put validate and process and release.
Okay, so let me write that step as well. Let me delete it. Minimal approvals in front of treasury team from the internal departments.
Yes, this is it.
So this is correct, right?
That's correct there.
So let me go one by one.
That's the entire process, yes.
Okay, so that is correct.
Yes,
Treasury
that's
box will send an email about the amounts and withdrawals, confirm instructions agreement with the bank.
yes.
And what is this need to avoid the reaching
That's
limits?
a front office requirement.
Okay. F4 requirement.
Yeah. That's the
And
risk because of the risk.
deal bottler is also included in the communications
Yes.
to. Okay.
Yes.
And treasury back office team logs into the quantum, runs the money
Yes.
market report, which you mentioned,
Yes.
and upload the report in the teams for review and approval.
Yes.
And Zine reviews and approves.
Yes.
Manager
So
reviews and
it's
approves.
the documents are first signed by either myself or Donald, and then uploaded in the Teams folder for Zane to provide
Okay.
the final sign off.
And treasury back office receives the approval, start the deposit and withdrawal process by a physical bank, which you mentioned releasing the payment.
Yes. So currently we
And
have releases allocated on the banking system, and they form part
yes,
of the finance team.
and send this to the finance team later
Yes.
on. And deadline is at close to 3 o'clock.
Yes.
And other details, is you do daily, and we've included the time, right?
Yes.
That included above, right? So
Yeah.
in 4 or 5 hours of, sorry, whatever hours you mentioned,
Yes.
included above. So I will not double counting it.
Yeah.
And 30 million, 3 million ZAR threshold in the main bank. Correct?
Yes, that's more or less.
And 6 banks no more than 20% of bank account due. This is just a general thing, right?
That's
From the
just
front,
general.
yes,
From the
which you
front
maintain
office.
to make sure the
The
daily
risk,
balances are done.
because of the
Okay.
risk, yeah.
Okay. So this is also good. Review the cash balances. This is deleted. And track and monitor cash flows. Is this any of these is there, like the final update in the Yolanda to move the funds are approved by among the bank, collecting? I think it is very specific to that.
No, yeah, it's to them. It's not ours.
Yeah, not ours.
Mm.
And finally, we do that. We understood the bank statement also. Reconciliation, transaction matching, handling discrepancies we noted above.
Yes.
Let me see here. What is that? This is all same. Yes, correct. So ensure the record transaction align with the bank to verify accuracy, reconcile with the company records for accuracy, identify mismatches on errors. These are the general things.
Mhm.
And the stepwise, ensure that the SAP has the same as statement. If there is any issue with the balances, review with the treasury team, review with the bank, basically. Bank or business.
Mhm.
Reconcile the bank account, review the variances, and review with AP, AR, or anyone, which is involved, and follow up with them. So we already noted it
Yes.
above. So that will take as a basis. So anything else in the bank statement which you do? Sorry, bank side, bank
Recons.
recons, which we have. Yeah. You check the daily balances, you make sure the forex is done, movement, netting, and final reconciliations, and cash flow tracking, and you send the information to Treasury also. So these are the lines we covered in the banking. And you mentioned the challenges is mostly the follow-up is the challenge, and the manual input is the challenge. These are the two main challenges. Is there anything else which you think should be there?
No.
Any other challenges we
Dennis, you
can
can
make
just
life
scroll
easier?
down. You can just scroll down.
Yes.
I see you
Yes.
have the prepare month and calendar. So for that,
No,
we
this
receive a calendar
is for
from.
not for bank. This is not for
Okay.
bank. This is for when I would be discussing about the journal entries with
Yes,
the
yes.
other team.
Oh, okay.
Means
All
other
right, got
people.
you. No,
Then
it's fine.
I'll have it here. So bank is from Zain from here to. I'll make it yellow here.
Okay. No, then I think we've covered everything. I'm not sure if the team,
Sure.
anything we've missed here.
So, but the
Yes.
journal entries will also affect us with just to mention, the journal entries and the
Yes.
cutoff times and all that would also still affect us as well.
Yes, I noted the process generals for allocations, etc.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, here. Do you want me to write anything else here?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. And you input the journal entry in SAP directly, right? This allocation thing.
We do an upload, so it's parked and post.
Okay. Parked and post.
Mhm.
And it goes through the same process of review and approval.
Yes.
Okay. How many allocation entries are there on normally? Every day? Every day one at least?
And every day, 4 at least. The sweepings is 1, 2, money market 3, say 4.
Money market.
Yeah, and
Should
then
I
if
write
there's
around 4 entries?
I would say keep it like 9 because sometimes when there's foreign
Okay.
currency, when there's foreign currency transactions,
Yes, I'll put it
then the
in
cash
on
comes
10,
in. Yeah, the cash
10
comes
entries.
into the rand account. Yeah.
Okay, so in this process, where I should write the journal entries very quickly, reconcile the template, investigate the difference. Shouldn't be the third step here, the process journal entries,
Yes.
or
After the differences.
okay, after differences, this one,
Yeah.
process journal entries.
Yes.
These are journal entries for allocations.
Yes.
And manually loading also quantum thing.
Manually loading of the investments.
Of investments, etc. Okay, and prepare the template, upload, and then fine. We are good. Okay.
Robin, on your side, do you do any journal?
Yes, it does.
I don't know how much time would you spend there, Donna, Robin?
Say that again.
So how much time would Robin spend to do these journal entries? What is that?
Okay, I think I do about maybe three journals a week, maybe 2, depending on how the allocations come in.
Okay.
Am I correct, Zaki?
You're correct.
Yeah, I think so, about 2, 3 per week, yes, depending on how the allocations comes in.
Yes, and you do a mass uploadless journal as such.
Yes, a mass upload as well.
So let me write here. So 10 general entries, sweeping money market, mass upload. Okay. So I think we are good. So I have not written Zaki here. Chantel, Donald, Robin, Zion. Should I write Zaki also? Hours for
No,
her?
don't worry. It's only them.
Zaki, make sure we do our work.
Zaki, should I write your 1 hour?
No. Now,
Okay.
now myself, I'm
So-
not included there.
Okay, 4 people are mainly there. Okay.
Only 4.
Okay. Anything else before I close? And Chantel, you can send me the template of the bank reconciliation. And in case you have any other, listing of the banks or checklist of the SOX, etc. So that will
Okay.
be great.
Sure.
So
Should
these
we
3.
email it to you or can we send it here in the chat?
There is a shared folder out there, which you can upload there and send me the
okay.
link. Or in case you are not able to do it, you can email it to me.
Okay.
So Zain, I think you'll send him everything that you sign off because the consolidation is all there.
Yes,
Will that be
I'll send
fine?
that SOC sign off from Tracy Lee. And must I just give one example of reconciliation?
I don't know
Maybe-
how many he wants to see. Do you want to see a list of all the accounts?
Actually, the
Yeah.
SOX control would give a list of all the accounts.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that I have a volume, I can see, okay, these 6 accounts are there. So I can,
Yeah, the SOX
support this.
control would have the accounts, so that's
Yes.
fine.
Okay.
Sorry, just from my side, Zane, I've quickly created a South African R2R tower on that folder of ours. Where you also put all the stuff for Simona, etc.
Okay. So
And then Vanetta, I'll give you quickly access to it.
thank you, sir. Thank you. And also, please give the access to the team as well so that they can upload their document there.
They've all got access, so.
Okay, perfect. So Chantal, you can do that and send me the link or email later
Okay,
on that you
I'll
have done
upload
it.
to RTR folder.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Anything else? If I have missed anything in the banking side?
Looks like everything is included.
Okay, thank you very much for the time. Joanne, are we good?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, thank you so much.
Thanks,
Thanks all.
Bye-bye.
everyone.
Annette,
See you all.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.